Looking for ways to boost your libido naturally? Check out these top essential oils to increase your sex drive. Not losing that spark in a relationship is often about more than simply physical attraction. It's about connection, mood, and feeling comfortable in your own skin. When we talk of intimacy, there are many things that you can do for a more positive sexual experience, including the use of common essential oils. These strong plant extracts, which have been used for ages in aromatherapy and traditional medicine, can have surprising effects on our bodies and minds, potentially increasing intimacy and desire. Here are some essential oils for sex drive that are not only easily available, but are also beneficial for your overall wellness. What is sex drive? Sex drive, often known as libido, refers to a person's urge or interest in sexual activities. It differs from person to person and is affected by physiological, emotional, psychological, and social factors. A strong sexual drive is regarded to be essential for emotional health and close relationships. However, this ideal amount of libido is subjective and may alter over time, according to research published in the journal Encyclopedia of Endocrine Disease. There are various home remedies for increasing sexual stamina and libido. One such remedy is to use essential oils for sex drive. This can be used in aromatherapy or on pulse points. Here are sex tips for new couples. Want to boost libido? These essential oils for sex drive are beneficial. Before diving heads first to answer these questions on essential oils for sex drive, we must also consider how they do help. Oils, particularly essential oils, may promote sex drive through numerous interconnected mechanisms. Many essential oils have aromatherapeutic effects, which can affect mood and emotions. Certain odors can cause the release of neurotransmitters linked to pleasure and relaxation, such as dopamine and serotonin, which are required for sexual desire and enjoyment, says aromatherapist Dr. Blossom Kochar. Beyond mood, certain oils are thought to have an insignificant impact on hormone balance. While more research is needed in this area, certain oils may assist control hormones that affect sexual performance. Plus, using oils in massage or aromatherapy can provide a pleasurable and calming experience. Physical touch, mixed with pleasant scents, can increase intimacy and create a more suitable environment for sexual activity. Wondering which are the best essential oils for sex drive? Check them out below. My expert choice of 5 best essential oils for sex drive according to preferences will be the following. If you are on the lookout for the most effective essential oils for sex drive, these are your safest bets. 1. Rose oil. Rose oil is a classic oil when it comes to increasing sex drive. This offers a multitude of benefits for enhancing intimacy. Its ability to relieve depression and promote relaxation creates a foundation for emotional connection, crucial for sexual desire. Beyond its aromatic allure, rose oil is also believed to increase libido, potentially amplifying sexual desire. A study published in the Avicenna Journal of Phytomedicine suggests a positive impact on sperm production, adding another dimension to its potential benefits for sexual health. Incorporating rose oil into massage, aromatherapy, or even a warm bath can be a beautiful way to explore its potential for enhancing your sex life. Rose oil is one of the best essential oils for sex drive enhancement. Image courtesy, Adobe stock. 2. Lavender oil. Lavender is a popular choice of when it comes to picking essential oils for sex drive. This is due to its calming properties, making it an excellent choice for enhancing intimacy. By reducing stress and anxiety, lavender creates a more relaxed and open atmosphere, essential for a positive sexual experience. Beyond its relaxing effects, a study published in the journal Nursing in Women's Health indicates that lavender may also contribute to increased blood flow, a crucial factor for healthy sexual function in both men and women. Improved circulation can enhance sensitivity and responsiveness, leading to a more pleasurable experience. Incorporating lavender oil into a massage, bath, or diffuser can help create a tranquil and sensual environment, paving the way for a more intimate and satisfying connection. 3. Sandalwood oil. Sandalwood is also one of the most effective oils for sex drive as it offers a grounding and seductive aroma. Its deep, woody fragrance is thought to have mood-boosting qualities, promoting a sense of well-being and connection, as found in a study published in the journal Cosmetics. Sandalwood's ability to evoke sentiments of desire make it a popular option for romantic settings. Whether dispersed in the bedroom or utilized in massage, its perfume can arouse passion and enhance the sexual experience. Aside from its aphrodisiac properties, sandalwood is also recognized for its relaxing powers, which assist in relieving stress and create a more relaxed environment suitable for intimacy. 4. Jasmine oil. Jasmine, an exotic and floral oil, is known for its distinct aroma, which invokes romance and desire, as found in a study published by ResearchGate. Its captivating aroma can boost mood, causing happiness and increased sensitivity, all of which are necessary for sexual attraction. When diffused, added to a bath, or used in massage, its perfume can awaken the senses and arouse sensuality. Aside from its romantic associations, jasmine is thought to offer soothing qualities, lowering inhibitions and encouraging a more open and receptive attitude towards intimacy, says the expert. 5. Ylang Ylang oil. Ylang Ylang is one of the best essential oils for sex drive and is well known for its euphoric characteristics. This can promote a sense of well-being and boost self-esteem, both of which are important factors in sexual desire. This exotic oil can make people feel happier and more appealing, encouraging a good attitude towards intimacy. Aside from its mood-boosting properties, Ylang Ylang can also aid with anxiety and despair, two major culprits that can drastically impair sexual pleasure, says the expert. By reducing these emotional burdens, Ylang Ylang promotes a more calm and receptive state, ideal for intimacy. Incorporating this oil into massage or aromatherapy may be an excellent way to explore its potential for awakening desire and improving sexual satisfaction. In concluding, it's important to note that while these oils can be a helpful addition, they aren't a magic cure-all and should be used in conjunction with other healthy lifestyle choices. Also, always consult with your healthcare provider before using these essential oils for sex drive enhancement. Please comment, subscribe and like our videos if you find them useful.